Hi, Maggie here. In this video, I'll share our 25.6V 315Ah forklift lithium batteries designed to be flexible and meet a variety of needs. These batteries are tailored for walkie stackers, pallet trucks, and other forklifts with limited space. We've designed the batteries to be as compact as possible within dimensions provided by our customers. This ensures it can fit a wider range of forklift models, offering greater flexibility. Let's take a closer look at our battery design. This battery features an LED display with a detachable cable, easy to install in any position. This display is smartly designed with a switch and buzzer, so operators can easily check the battery status and control power. Here's a CAN port for collecting chargers. Our batteries support CAN communication protocols, ensuring an optimized charging profile that helps enhance our battery performance and lifespan. Plus, it's equipped with industrial-grade REMA charge and discharge collectors that can handle high currents to ensure great safety and reliability. Polinovel offers OEM solutions to meet the high-intensity demands of different industrial vehicles. For specific needs, please contact us at sales@polinovel.com.